Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of Selerb A and D+ supplement for women, a daily capsule designed for those who want more energy, healthier skin, and cellular support. Because apparently, our cells need a pep talk too. The company claims their clean, tested ingredients will make you feel youthful on the inside and give you a glow on the outside, which sounds suspiciously like the plot of a movie where the protagonist never ages. This formula packs in beta NAD+ and collagen peptides to help your skin stay plump and your brain muscles stay sharp. It's also free from soy, gluten, dairy, and nuts, making it safe for almost everyone except those allergic to high-end marketing. The science here is that our bodies use NAD+ to create energy, but those levels drop as we get older, leaving us feeling tired and about as sharp as a butter knife. This supplement provides the building blocks to naturally raise those levels and support ATP production, which is essentially the fuel that keeps your cellular engine from stalling. According to the brand, you might notice stable energy and clearer thinking within the first week, followed by hydrated skin at the 1-month mark. By month 3, they promise a healthy glow and improved texture, assuming you haven't already spent your retirement fund on the subscription. Over on TikTok, the land of totally unbiased and definitely not filtered opinions, users are reporting some pretty wild results. One person claimed to see a massive difference in their skin in just 12 days, while another apparently felt like a superhero within an hour of their first dose. People are even mentioning improvements in neck tightness and hair texture, though it sadly won't do anything about your personality. While the feedback is mostly glowing, it's worth remembering that supplements affect everyone differently, and this isn't an FDA-approved magic wand for curing diseases. Ultimately, Selerb A and D+ is a premium supplement made in the US with lab-tested ingredients for those who prioritize energy and skin health. It's definitely a step up from those dusty vitamins at the back of your cabinet, though your bank account might feel the pinch since it costs more than your average multivitamin. Many women report feeling more focused and radiant after starting the regimen, but for the best results, you actually have to remember to take it consistently. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.